Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, then welcome back. Today we're going to discuss a sensitive but intriguing topic, financial domination, Findom, within the context of FeetFinder. While FeetFinder isn't specifically designed for Findom practices, we'll explore some strategies for monetizing content and engaging with an audience while staying respectful and adhering to platform guidelines. Let's dive into some helpful tips, do's, and don'ts to help you navigate space on FeetFinder. Tips for financial domination within FeetFinder's guidelines. Research before you start performing, incorporating any financial domination practices into your FeetFinder strategy. It's important to understand what Findom entails. Before you start incorporating any financial domination practices into your FeetFinder strategy, it's important to understand what Findom entails. Financial domination is about control and the exchange of money for dominance, but it always should be consensual. If you're planning to integrate Findom into your content, research it well so you can be sure you're comfortable with the practice and know what's expected. Use FeetFinder's verified payment methods. FeetFinder uses SegPay and Paxum for secure financial transactions, which ensures both you and your buyers are protected. These payment methods are verified and reliable, ensuring your interactions remain safe and protected. Always stick to these platforms to avoid potential scams or issues with payments. Establish your unique style. If you're incorporating Findom elements into your FeetFinder profile, make sure you develop a unique style that suits you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach in Findom. Some prefer more subtle control, while others may enjoy being more assertive. Whether you're focusing on foot content or psychological aspects of dominance, be authentic and consistent in your approach. Be confident and in control. Financial domination thrives on confidence. If you're integrating any form of Findom into your content, be confident in your approach. It'll set you apart. Keep in mind that your followers are likely to respond to a strong, consistent, and assertive presence. Use FeetFinder for content monetization. FeetFinder is primarily a platform for selling foot content. And while it's not a traditional Findom platform, you can still utilize its features to make money. For example, you can sell exclusive foot pictures or videos and offer private custom content. Ensure that your profile is set up to showcase your unique offerings clearly and professionally. What not to do on FeetFinder. 1. Don't engage in non-consensual practices. One of the most important rules to follow when it comes to Findom on FeetFinder is to always ensure that all interactions are consensual. Findom can involve psychological play, but it should never cross boundaries or cause harm. FeetFinder's guidelines prohibit any form of non-consensual behavior or content that violates its community standards. 2. Don't use FeetFinder as a Findom-only platform. FeetFinder is not a dedicated Findom platform, and its primary purpose is for buying and selling foot-related content. While you can incorporate Findom themes into your foot content, keep in mind that it should always be respectful and within the boundaries of FeetFinder's terms of service. 3. Avoid desperate tactics. Financial domination is not about begging or acting desperate for money. It's about a powerful dynamic where the dome maintains control. On FeetFinder, focus on creating high-quality content and building a genuine connection with your audience. Desperation or overly aggressive tactics could hurt your reputation and drive potential buyers away. 4. Don't use other creators' content. Always create your own original content. Using another creator's work, whether it's foot photos, bio, or other media, it's unethical and you can get banned from FeetFinder. If you're trying to build a Findom presence, it's important to do it in a way that reflects your personal brand and doesn't infringe on others' intellectual property. 5. Don't overpromote Findom. FeetFinder isn't specifically for Findom, so it's important to avoid oversaturating your profile with Findom-focused content. While you can highlight dominance or power in your content, keep it balanced with the platform's primary focus, foot content. Over-promoting Findom might violate the platform's guidelines or discourage foot-focused buyers. Question: are there specific platforms for Findom? There are platforms specifically built for Findom practices. FeetFinder is more focused on foot content, and while you can incorporate Findom into your content strategy, the platform's primary purpose is content exchange. Be sure to follow the platform's rules and focus on what FeetFinder is designed for. How can I monetize Findom content on FeetFinder? You can monetize Findom themed foot content by selling exclusive content, offering custom foot photos or videos, or using private messaging to engage with buyers who are interested in personalized content. Make sure you use the platform's secure payment methods pages for all transactions. Incorporating financial domination into your FeetFinder profile is possible, but should be done with respect to the platform's primary focus: foot content. Always prioritize consent, professionalism, and adhere to the platform's guidelines. If you're successful at blending Findom themes with your foot content in a way that's ethical and enjoyable for both you and your audience, you can carve out a unique space for yourself on FeetFinder. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay safe and best of luck with your FeetFinder journey.